Hello students, hope you are all doing well. We will revise what we learned in the previous class. Then we will continue with the same title, subject verb agreement. Now, this subject verb agreement is being explained to you in 4 sets. Okay. The first one that we saw in the morning is a general, very easy one. That is third person singular in present tense, always as singular verb. The example is he sings, he, she, it. You know that. So here, the third person singular has to agree with the verb. And S is order, only in present tense. Okay. So this is one set. It's not in your book, but some understanding I'm giving you. Okay. Now in the second place, where you got both singular and plural verbs used. Not in the same sentence. There cannot be one verb in singular and plural in the same sentence, but same type of sentence. In some place singular is used and some place plural is used. That is what is meant here. And what is that place? Now you see. When as well as, okay, is used, the first subject here brings a change. So look the example. I will concentrate on the example, then the rule, and explain the rule based on the example. Instead of writing down the rules, you will get confused. So with the example we will revise. So here, boy as well as his teachers is going to market, going to school, whatever it is. So here the subject in the first place is singular, so this has to be singular. That is a rule. The same sentence, when this first subject is plural, this has to be plural. Boys as well as his teachers are going to market, whatever it is. So this one changes the verb there. So when there is as well as, both singular and plural can come. Okay. It's not only as well as, there are other phrases like that. They are a list of them in your book. Okay, you can check your book, and the important thing is the first subject besides the verb, whether singular or plural. That is the rule. Okay. So for detailed explanation, the rule, the example, and the set of words used, or in your book. It's a big list, 11 or 13 of them. So I'm giving you in short what it is for you to understand. Okay, otherwise in your book everything is mixed up. One singular, one plural, here one example, there one example. So I collected them and put them all together and divided into 4 sets for better understanding. You try. It helps you. Otherwise, you are capable of finding out some other method and study the rules in the book with the example, and you are able to remember. Well and good. But this is one method I am giving you. Now, where both singular plural verb are used, another place, okay, where the words like some, all, any, more, most come. This is important, okay. With the rule, you remember these words as well as set of words are there also. Here these set of words are in your book. There you check some, all, any, more, most, okay. This is revising. I'm not writing everything. I cannot whatever is in the book. I'm just giving only example. Okay, some animal is in zoo. Same sentence is used in plural. Some animals are in zoo. Here what is residing? The noun that follows these words like some, most, any, more, all. So the noun that follows these words, set of words. Okay, here the noun that follows is singular, so the verb is singular. Maybe some. The same some, when it's used some animals, then a plural. When you say some animal, singular. Do you understand? It's a simple thing. So this is the second rule in the second set. The third rule, either or, neither nor, not only but also. These are set of words. When you use them, okay, the noun closer to the verb, okay, after these words, decides the verb. You see, either Raj or his brothers are. Either Raj or his brother are. So if you are using this Raj brother, Raj or his brother, put singular. If you are using Raj or his brothers, put are. Okay. That is the rule. Okay. Now, till this we saw in the previous class. Just to put you in the line. So first set, third person singular. Second set where both is both. Singular plural is used. The third place, use of only singular verb. This is the third set. Okay, that is in several places. Only singular is used, not both. Okay, do you understand? Now I will give you examples and the rules where these several places you use only singular verb. Okay, so we'll continue. Now I have to wipe the board. I turn the board. Where only singular verb is used. Okay, there are 7 places. We just see 3 of them. So singular verbs are used. One thing is for collective noun. For collective nouns. collective nouns. Okay. A bouquet of flowers is presented, singular. So a bouquet of flowers is a collective noun phrase, but usually singular. So for collective noun, some exceptions are there, but mostly it is good to use singular verb. Has, is, was. Okay. Now, that is one rule. You will have the example in your book. Okay, for example, I said a bouquet of flowers is being presented to the principal on annual day. Okay. Now the second rule is for subjects joined by or. For subjects joined by or. So when 2 or 3 subjects are joined by or, you use singular verb. Ram and or Raju is coming for the match. Ram or Raju is coming. Okay. So when this or is used, always use Ram or Raju or Joseph or Paul is coming. You may have any number of or, but the verb will be is. Okay, this is the second rule for using singular verb. Okay. The third place. For nouns preceded by each, every, everyone, one of, either of, neither of. So when these words precede a noun, come before each of the students, everyone in the class, either of Sita and Rani, neither of you is to stand in the class. So always singular. Okay. So when these words are preceding noun, that is each, every, everyone, one of, either of, neither of. This set of words are there in your book also. You can copy. I need not write everything in the board. So nouns preceded by. For